Home is a place we go to for security, for comfort, and for inspiration. Imagine if designing and building a home was a life-transforming experience. As science and technology evolve, so should our homes. Imagine if you could build a home that used no fossil fuels and was more affordable. A home that evolved as your life unfolded. A home that could change the quality of your life. Hi, I'm Laura Sosnowski of Maine Home Connection, and I'm here to tell you that version of the future is available today, as this home is proof. Located in the coastal community of Brunswick, Maine, the neighborhood of Douglas Ridge offers the latest in green, ultra-efficient, sustainable homes, based on the renowned Unity platform. Each design brings together the best in global construction technology, resulting in a healthy, modern, and above all, beautiful, eco-friendly environment. One of the many characteristics of a Unity home is that it appreciates and elevates both classic and modern building practices from all around the world. From Scandinavian off-site construction, German CNC manufacturing, Japan's culture of Kaizen, to New England's time-honored timber frame legacy. No matter which layout you choose, a varm, a trad, or a xyla, the craftsmanship and quality will be readily apparent throughout. Each of the 17 homes in Douglas Ridge will or can include energy-efficient heat pumps for cooling and heating, an ERV fresh air recovery system, solar panels, ultra-low VOCs, recycled cellulose insulation, European-inspired triple-pane windows, oversized sheetrock panels, smart home technology, and so much more. Additionally, each floor plan can be economically modified using Unity's modular design system, thereby reducing costs, material, and time. At this time, we are accepting reservations for the remaining homes in Douglas Ridge. Additional information about the development and sustainable living are available on our website, mainehomeconnection.com. Or if you want to discuss the future, today, and the evolution of science and living, give me a call directly. I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I invite you to imagine more.